Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable cookies into your Google Chrome in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to go into your Google Chrome. Then you just need to go for the right side of your Google Chrome and then you will get three dot. Click on that. And then you just need to go for the settings option. Click on that. And after that, you just need to go for privacy and security, click on that, and then you will find the option at the bottom side called third-party cookies. So click on that. And after that, you can see my cookies allow Google Chrome. But if your cookies is selected on these block third-party cookies, then you just need to set this into allow third-party cookies. If you want to just block it into third-party cookies in incognito mode, then you can just select it. But I will going to select this allow third-party cookies and it will enable your cookies into your Google Chrome. So this is how we can enable cookies into your Google Chrome in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.